city, cannot wrap my head around the fact it's taken me this long to finally realize I'm fantastic. I used to write my little raps, they'd always look right past it, like it's average, like I'm not who the fuck I am, like it's what's happening.
Hey you guys, it's ItzYoGyalCuTiE back in the house with another Temu haul. This girl dang just forwarded on the com instead of Temu. So this will be one of the last Temu haul videos for now until I get paid by Temu so I can keep shopping with them. Just kidding. But yeah, I do want to collaborate with them so I can still keep shopping with them. So let's start. So this is the outfit I was telling you guys about that I wanted to match with the corset. So I got this from Temu. So it's a cargo pants, a denim cargo pants. I thought it was going to be a little darker, but it's, you know, it's medium. It's a medium wash. And then I got this cowgirl hat, light pink to match this. But this is a champagne pink though. But it's okay. Then I got this purse, this cute medium washed pants. And I got this cowgirl hat with the lace around it to match this corset, but this is more like a champagne pink and this is like a baby pink. And then I got this purse that's like inspired by Bottega Veneta, but I also want to accessorize it with this bucket hat and the bracelet or this anklet and then this necklace as well. It's gonna be really cute. So I always wanted a gold purse, and so this one is like a Chanel and Valentino inspired purse. So cute. Oh my goodness. I love this outfit. This is just adorable. Your girl is gonna match it with this boots. This is so cute. I haven't worn this in a while. Like literally a while. And that's gonna just look awesome on it. Your gal a cowgirl. She look like she's going to that concert. Your gal look like she's going to that concert in California where it's hot. And you know, I forgot what they're called, but you know, people dress up for it. Coachella. I was about to say, can you guys comment it down below? But now I remembered, Coachella. And sadly, the boots are not from Temu. So the only things that are from Temu was the two purses and then the pants and this. And yes, it does come with another chain. It's like a plastic chain for this one. So you just put it around it, so it'll just be like styled up there.
So this was the outfit of the day when I went shopping. And this was actually back in September. And I never got to upload this video at all because I was busy. And to the end of this video, I'll tell you why. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up.
So 3 weeks ago, they brought back the Hello Kitty collaboration, and it is rhinestone. It's $100. Which one do you guys prefer? Mine or this new color? I thought these ones look good. Oh my god. It's like the lilac lavender one. Oh wow. And then what I was also thinking for the hat should be like this Louis Vuitton bucket hat. I was loving the vibe for this one. I was like, I think that's gonna be cute. You know? So on to the next outfit. I got this blazer right here that was sold out 3 times, and finally I got it, you know? I got it in a size large, and it comes with the waist belt. So it's a blazer. It reminds me of the Christian Dior ones. It's adorable and it looks professional. And I'm going to match it with my bucket hat, and then this purse that I have, and also this pants I got from Fashionnova. And I don't know about this. I had to put it all together, and yeah, it looks like it's rusting. It just went through a lot, and it's a Christian Dior inspired. Yeah, it's an inspired bag. I almost said expired bag. Yeah, it seems like an expired bag, cutie. But yeah, it's kind of cute. So yes, I will be wearing this outfit sometime in the fall, in the winter. That's just gonna look amazing. So in the previous videos, this is gonna be the same order, but just in a different color. And I didn't even know until I opened the other package and it didn't work out for me. But then this one I knew it was coming, so I was like, oh my god, I was so afraid. But this time it worked. I got the belt. And I got to lengthen it. Oh my gosh. So I'm so excited to use this one, and the other one still doesn't lengthen, so I'm glad this one does move. And then I got this Lacoste shirt to match with this cool crocodile shorts and my Lacoste backpack. That is so cool. Like, and I know it's more like a summery vibe, which is summer's over, but it's more like a vacation vibe. I'm gonna be traveling. So that is it for you guys for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And hit that bell button to be notified to this channel for upcoming videos and news. Thank you. Come again.